It's a lot easier shooting when there's not a 30-mile-an-hour wind. Ooh, that's money. He's in trouble. It's 57 yards, he's in trouble. Savage love.
Ready?
Break your heart.
And then you go. Then you just get loose with you, do a little crip walk.
Is that what you call
what
that?
The crips do. You better kill Boo to that.
One of them really saw that, they'd be like, boy, what the f are you talking about?
Ready? Savage love! Let's go!
Man!
Good luck, boys.
Hey, I can tell you got some good rest last night, man.
You going for a hike about?
Yeah, let's go, buddy. Let's go find another boo. He's got a beautiful cape. That'd make an excellent rug. No, that bottom one doesn't have much for front.
Found a couple caribou though.
Yeah, no, they're out. That's nice. At least we know they're still here.
We didn't kill them all yesterday.
No. Oh shoot, there's some bulls up there. Crap. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna get up there. Oh shit. I think that one sells velvet, but he's...
Are the big ones on the left or the right?
Huh?
Are the big ones on the left or the right?
Well, there's a big one on the far right.
Okay.
He's almost the bottom caribou.
I see him.
He's the bottom one you can see.
Mm-hmm.
But if that wind's rolling like this, we're in great shape. Might be able to put something together. You know what I mean? Man, we're in them, Brady. We're in it to win it. I like these ones. I think that's very doable. I think we should go over there and take a look. What do you think?
I think we better get after it, bud.
Let's do it. I got my sandals.
I'll give you a piggyback. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, right there. See that?
Fish?
Yeah, just came up right there.
No way.
Brady helping me out. Now watch the cam. Ah! That's why you gotta be careful.
Ready?
I don't want to poke you. Oh my god. Gracias, mi amigo.
You bet. Let's go kill a caribou.
Let's go kill a caribou now.
See him? Up in there?
Dude, there is fish all over in that damn thing.
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
It's real cool.
Oh shit.
Big boy.
Looking for that guy. He's probably dead by now.
I think he's dead by now.
Now, they may have went around that next hill. If I was a vet man, I think that's where. I think we still got a minute. But we're ready. Yeah. See the tops of their horns right there. They're bedded. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get from here to there. needs to walk it the other way. God, I hate both. They're moving up that hill pretty quick. Our other option is to just ride them out, wait till they go out of our sight, and then boogie up that draw. Let's chill out. They might be over far enough. All right, fucking party on. Caribou are right there. Right behind that knob. Back just a little bit, but hopefully it angled up in. Oh, it came out right through his front shoulder. He's in the herd, right? Yeah. It came out right through his front shoulder. See it? Yeah. Bleeding. Hey Brady, he might be going down. We just killed a boo, bro. Man, son of a bee. I can't believe that just worked. That's the one we were wanting. That is a freaking badass. Thanks, Brady. Oh, shit. As soon as I shot, I knew it was a little back, but I was like, that's where I was wanting it to hit, because it would angle right up through that beast. Man, and it just, boom. Popped a freaking hole in him. I hate bow hunting, but I love it. If that makes sense. I hate it, but I love it. Hey, let's go fishing tomorrow, should we? Go catch some grayling.
Crazy bastard.
Thanks for following me around. That was a freaking loop. Man, when I seen that arrow sticking out his front and blood going like this, I was like, he's gotta die. He's gotta die. He is.
Dude, he's long.
Isn't he?
Oh.
That's where you want it to come out at. God, man. Look at that. Just.
Let's go.
Dude, you shot a monster.
I shot. It's one of the better bulls I've seen.
Looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics.
That's a lot of hiking. You don't think caribou and think this, but man, that's about as pretty as it gets. They're one shy.
I already won, now I'm just making a statement.
Man, it's good to see him.
That little knob? Yeah.
I was wondering, I'm like, did he sneak up to that and then shoot it? What a ninja. Now, I have some treats somewhere.
I don't think my boots were made for this kind of country.
Is this, wait, hold on. All right. Or you might have to help me get this pack off for a second. Coming to rescue us.
Nice boo, bro.
Thanks, man.
Does anybody need to power up?
You got a honey stinger?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
A super crunch cookie bar.
Ooh, grass-fed jerky would be nice.
There you go. I have a goo, solid watermelon.
I'll take the goo. You gotta relax your legs. You're like, I'm riding a horse.
I don't know how to relax them.
They're like so stiff, bro.
It's like I'm riding a bronc.
I squeeze tight.
That was some crazy 24 hours.
Is that 5 caribou in 5 days?
I don't know what it is. Well, I know
Like-
it's 4 caribou in 24 hours. Cars, what's the weather report for tomorrow?
I don't know.
Does it call for fishing?
Yeah, big call for fishing. Heavy on the fishing, actually.
It's what they call a good day.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a good day.
What's on the menu tonight there, sous chef?
We got potatoes, onion, backstrap, some mac and cheese if we want.
Yeah, I think congratulations is in order.
That's no kidding.
That's an
We've all killed some freaking nice boo on this trip. Look at this, boys. We all get to have a horn.
Oh!
All right.
So excited I've been all trip. You've been waiting for that, haven't you?
What are we doing?
Fishing. We got a day to burn. Gonna go fishing. Forecast of ripping lips. Lots of ripping lips today.
Bill, I think I need to see what you got on your vision board here.
Today?
Today.
What we're doing today? Looks like a goldfish cracker.
Where's my rock?
He's a big boy.
Look at that fin. That is freaking gorgeous. Did you see that recipe I had on him?
Hey, don't walk out in the middle of the hole.
You're scaring the fish.
World record coming in right now. This feels like a lake trout.
Cody finally catch a fish over there. I can't even get my hands around that fat slobby. Look at that thing's dorsal.
Okay, let him run. Okay, working.
One apple, 10 cherries. That's it.
Look at that fish they're dragging. That's a catfish hunter. God,
That's a big fish.
that's a big fish.
Boys.
I was looking at you guys over there. I'm like, it looks like they just flopped something big down in the water. That's a fish. Hey, hold on. Wait, this one we can catch it, boys.
Yeah, he's gonna strip me off. He's really gonna strip me off. I keep going to the freaking mill.
Now, boys, I got 4-pound test on.
Nice work, bro.
Oh, I know why I caught him. He's blind. How's that for a hoon digger? He couldn't see me coming.
Alright, let him go.
That was kind of funny.
Sun shining. It's a good day.